Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, and I highly recommend to switch to the video one. Just tap on the video which is next to it, and if you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So to quickly change the resolution, you can simply use those options here in the right upper corner. After tapping on this 1080, we can change the resolution. Right now we've got 4K applied. After tapping on it again, we can set 720p and again 1080p. We can also change frames per second, but this option strongly depends on the resolution. So this is how to quickly change the resolution. Of course, you can also enter the settings and change the resolution there. So just tap on this settings icon, so the gear icon, and here we've got the resolution. Let's tap. As you can see here, we've got more information about the resolution. So here we can also choose the ratios, because we've got 16:9 and 21:9 in the same resolution 4K. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.